Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to receive a significant upgrade to its telephoto camera, according to a recent report from popular Weibo account Instant Digital, which has nearly 1.5 million followers. The leaker claimed that the iPhone 17 Pro Max will offer one of the best telephoto cameras even seen on a smartphone, although specific details were not provided. Recent rumors suggest that both the iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone 17 Pro Max could include a new 48 megapixel telephoto camera, but some reports, including those from analyst Ming Chi Kuo, indicate the higher resolution lens may remain exclusive to the Pro Max model. The upgraded telephoto system is rumored to support up to 8x optical zoom. Unlike current models, the new lens may feature moving optics, allowing it to switch seamlessly between focal lengths such as 5x and 8x optical zoom without relying on sensor cropping. It's worth highlighting that this design would require more internal components and space, which could explain the anticipated larger camera bump on the iPhone 17 Pro models. For comparison, the iPhone 16 Pro lineup includes a 12 megapixel telephoto lens with a fixed 120mm focal length and up to 5x optical zoom. While Apple also advertises a 2x zoom option, this is achieved through cropping on the main rear camera rather than through optical zoom. Now, talking about Instant Digital, it has previously shared accurate Apple-related leaks such as the yellow iPhone 14 and the iPhone 14 Plus, and the titanium Milanese loop for the Apple Watch Ultra 2. However, their track record is not flawless. Apple is expected to unveil the iPhone 17 series in just a few weeks. Now, make sure to say your thoughts about this fascinating rumor, and I'll catch you up in the next one.